Have you ever wondered how some men manage to look so effortlessly stylish? Well, my friends, it's not as elusive as it may seem. It boils down to understanding personal style and the art of dressing well. You see, style isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you wear it and how it makes you feel. So, are you ready to upgrade your style game? Let's dive into the 5 rules that will help you stand out. First and foremost, it's crucial to know your body. Understanding your body shape is the foundation of style. Once you know your body type, you'll know which clothes flatter your physique and which ones to avoid. Imagine your body as a canvas and your clothing as the paint. The colors, patterns, and fit of your clothes can either create a masterpiece or a disaster. If you're a man with a broad chest and shoulders, you have what's known as an inverted triangle body shape. You should aim to create balance by drawing attention away from your broad upper body and towards your narrower lower body. Opt for dark-colored tops and lighter bottoms. V-neck shirts can help elongate your torso, making you look less top-heavy. On the other hand, if you have an oval or apple body shape, where your midsection is wider than your chest and hips, your goal should be to elongate your body. Vertical stripes and monochromatic looks are your friends here. Avoid tight-fitting clothes that may emphasize your midsection. For the rectangular body shape, where your chest, waist, and hips are roughly the same width, creating the illusion of a more defined waist is the goal. Layering is a great technique for this body type. A jacket or blazer can help create a more structured look. And let's not forget the triangle body shape, where the hips are wider than the chest. To balance this out, you should focus on adding volume to your upper body. Light-colored patterned shirts and horizontal stripes can help achieve this. But remember, these are just guidelines, not hard and fast rules. It's always important to feel comfortable in what you're wearing. Clothes should enhance your natural body shape, not hide or distort it. And most importantly, don't let your body shape limit your style choices. Expand your sartorial horizons, experiment with different styles, and find what works best for you. Remember, the right clothes for your body type can significantly enhance your appearance. So, start exploring your wardrobe and dressing for your body type today. You'll be amazed at how much better you'll look and feel. The second rule is all about quality over quantity. Now, this might sound a bit counterintuitive, right? We often fall into the trap of buying more for less, thinking we're scoring a great deal. But when it comes to style, that's not always the best approach. You see, investing in quality clothing has its own set of benefits. Let's break it down. First off, quality clothes tend to be made from superior materials. They're crafted with care, ensuring each stitch, seam, and button is perfectly in place. This attention to detail results in a garment that not only looks and feels better, but also withstands the test of time. Now, let's talk finances. Buying a high-quality item may seem like a hefty investment up front, but consider this. A well-made shirt or pair of shoes can last years, even decades if cared for properly. That's years of wear for one single upfront cost. Compare that to constantly buying and replacing cheaper alternatives that wear out or go out of style quickly. In the long run, it's the quality items that prove to be more cost-efficient. So, what are some pieces worth investing in? A tailored suit is a classic example. A well-fitted, high-quality suit can elevate your look like nothing else. It's versatile, timeless, and can be worn on numerous occasions. Footwear is another area where quality makes a difference. A good pair of leather shoes or boots can last a lifetime with proper care. And let's not forget about a quality leather belt or a classic watch. These are items that can add a touch of class to any outfit. But remember, quality doesn't always have to mean expensive. It's about finding the balance between cost and longevity. Do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to invest in pieces that will serve you well for years to come. A quality piece of clothing not only lasts longer, but also makes you look more polished and put together. So remember, when it comes to style, quality truly trumps quantity. Moving on to the third rule, grooming cannot be overlooked. It's not just about the clothes you wear, but also how you present yourself. And part of this presentation is grooming. It's a significant element that completes the whole stylish image. Think about it. What good is a well-tailored suit if your hair is unkempt or your beard is scraggly? A well-groomed man always captures attention and leaves a strong impression. That's why regular grooming habits are essential. They demonstrate that you respect yourself and care about your appearance. Let's start with the basics. A good haircut. It's essential to have a hairstyle that suits your face shape and personal style. If you're unsure about what would work best, don't hesitate to ask your stylist for advice. They're experts in the field and can guide you to a look that complements your features and style. Next, let's talk about shaving. Whether you prefer a clean-shaven look or a beard, it's crucial to keep it neat and well-maintained. Invest in good quality shaving tools and products. A smooth, clean shave or a well-trimmed beard speaks volumes about your attention to detail. And let's not forget about your nails. Clean, well-kept nails are a must. They might seem like a small detail, but they're definitely noticed. You don't need to go for a manicure weekly, but regular nail care is essential. Remember, grooming isn't about vanity. It's about self-respect and presentation. It's about showing the world that you take yourself seriously and that you care about how you present yourself to others. So gentlemen, invest time and effort into your grooming routine. It might seem like a lot of work, but the payoff is worth it. You'll not only look better, but you'll also feel better and more confident. A well-groomed man always stands out in a crowd. So make grooming a non-negotiable part of your style routine, and you'll definitely elevate your style game. Our fourth rule is to pay attention to details. Now, you might think we're just talking about matching your socks to your tie, but it's so much more than that. In the world of fashion and style, details can be the difference between looking good and looking great. Think of your outfit as a canvas and the accessories as the final brush strokes that complete the picture. They add depth to your look, provide a hint of your personality, and can even be a conversation starter. You see, accessories are the secret weapon in a man's style arsenal. Let's start with watches. A watch isn't just about telling the time anymore, it's a statement about who you are. You could go for a classic leather-strapped timepiece for a timeless appeal, or a sleek metal one for a more modern, edgy look. Moving on to glasses. Whether you need them for vision or just want to add some intellectual charm, glasses can be a game changer. From the classic round frames to the bold square ones, the right pair can accentuate your facial features and enhance your overall look. And last but not least, belts. A good belt does more than just hold your pants up. It can add a layer of sophistication to your outfit, especially when it complements your shoes. A well-chosen belt can tie your whole look together, so don't overlook its importance. Remember, accessorizing is an art, and like any art, it requires a delicate balance. Too many accessories can make your outfit look cluttered, while too few can leave it looking bland. The key is to strike the right balance that suits your personal style. So, next time you're putting an outfit together, don't forget to pay attention to the details. Add a watch here, a pair of glasses there, maybe a belt to finish it off. You'll be surprised at how these little additions can elevate your style. The right accessories can take your outfit from good to great. So go ahead, experiment with different accessories and see how they can transform your look. Last, but certainly not least, confidence is key. This is the golden rule that ties every other style rule together. You can have the best tailored suit, the sleekest hair, the most eye-catching accessories, but if you're not wearing it with confidence, it's like a sports car without a driver. It's important to remember that style isn't just about what you're wearing. It's about how you carry yourself. It's the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you hold your head high. Confidence can't be bought in a store, it can't be tailored, and it certainly can't be faked. And here's the secret to confidence. It all starts with wearing what makes you feel comfortable. You don't need to follow every single trend or spend a fortune on designer labels. The most stylish man in the room is the one who feels good in his own skin and in his own clothes. So choose clothes that make you feel like the best version of yourself. Experiment with different styles until you find what works for you. And remember, your confidence is visible to others. It's an aura that surrounds you, that makes you stand out in a crowd. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. So, put on that outfit that makes you feel invincible, walk out the door and let the world see what you're made of. And there you have it. 5 style rules that will help you look better than other guys. We've discussed the importance of understanding your body, investing in quality clothing, maintaining a well-groomed appearance, accessorizing with finesse, and most importantly, exuding confidence. Each point is vital, and together they elevate your style game. Remember, style is personal, so take these rules and make them your own. Thanks for watching.